Welcome back. This is our third movement in 8 silken brocade Qigong. Now, through my research, I've discovered multiple ways to do each movement. This movement is called hands separate the heavens and the earth, or pushing against sky and earth. It may have a couple other names as well. But the simplicity of the movement is that we're reaching up and we're reaching down. But the experiential for this practice is all the ways that I've researched and found. That way it can help you, guide you to find a more grand ultimate version of yourself. So let's get started. So now in this practice, it's not about finding your chi or the breath work to focus, because each movement I'm going to demonstrate is going to be one on each side. And then the homework for you is to go through this Rolodex of movements that's in the series of 8 to find the movements that speak to your body, what fits you best. Or do you discover another one that's similar to the ones that I demonstrate? So 8 silken brocade, a 5,000 if not more old medicine and movement, helps to pump our lymph system, helps to open up the soft tissue, helps to increase the nitric oxide production in our deep sinus cavities so our body can help itself heal. It helps increase our parasympathetic nervous system response while we let go of that fight or flight. So in the movement there is 2 bit of footwork, here or slightly wider. Find yours and let's go ahead and begin. So the breath and the movement join as one. In your mind space, bring yourself to that place that brings you peace, focusing on maybe one item. Maybe it's a sun that never sets, a mountain that is immovable, or there's a majestic tree that with the wind rustling through the leaves, it feels like it's breathing. So here we are. We'll breathe in, hands up to heart. Now this is a hard press, which means that we press the palm straight down, fingers turned in, and the other presses up, fingers pulled down. So if they turn sideways, you will see that we're trying to keep the arms in line with the body, shoulder blades pulled together. And then we're going to sink down, release the tension in the hands as I turn back to you, and what hand went up, the other goes down. And exhale. Now here's the first option. Same arm movement, just follow the hand up, leaving your teeth together. Inhale. Second option, look straight ahead, lift the heels off the floor. Next option, we reach up and down still, but here we change. Extend, open, turn over, and pull down. Reverse, open. Hard press all the way through. Pull down. Next option, with a twist. Same arm movement, pressing up, rotate through waist, shoulder, chin, eyes. Now look up. Come back to center. Breath in. Other side. Press high-low. Tell your thumbs to come back towards your heart. Turn, turn, look up. Come back to center. Next option. Hand goes up, same movement. Arm that goes down, presses straight to the floor. Fingers point to the floor. Now from here, shoulder blades pull back. Just look over the shoulder. Come back to center. Now some practitioners will hold the movement a little bit longer. For the sake of the video, we're just going to stay right here. There you go. Fingers point to the earth. Palm presses straight up. Try to get the bicep towards the ear. And then look. And we come back in. Now here is the next one. I have no idea how many we've done. Extend, open. Now leave the arms here. The waist turns and the arms begin to spiral around. Now let the arm come down. We've got one more. Arm comes down. Hands draw back up to the heart. First movement, press high and low, but this is where it changes. Stay with me. Here we go. Okay, here. Now open up like eagle's wings. Sink down. Draw up. Now the other side. Crane hand goes down. That's the crane. We press up. Hard press. Come out. Fingers point away. Let go. Breath in. Sink. Pause. Feel. Experience through your body as we separate the heavens and the earth. Now, maybe you have practiced it in a different way. Well, it just goes to show you the diversity of these movements, right? So we have 8 movements, 8 silken brocade. And in each of those 8 movements, as we are now on the 3rd movement, next is wise owl looks behind. Right? We'll discover other ways to do that. Now, if you've followed the 1st and the 2nd, now doing this 3rd, and you discovered there's another way to do any of these movements, please reach out to me. I love to learn, forever being the student. Thank you so much for joining me again. I am Jacob Glassmeyer, your Tai Chi guy. I look forward to seeing you soon. Remember, we got one life, one body. Make the most of it.